What's up, guys? My name is Trevor and I'm with Elise here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Foodi extra large grill from Ninja. It's the smart grill. It's the one that cooks 6 steaks at the same time with 50% more food, and the just about the only grill that makes perfect steaks and hamburgers and anything you can possibly want to perfection. The one and only grill you do not even need to know how to cook with. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing of this grill today, and we're gonna be throwing some stuff on the grill as well, showing you guys how exactly it performs and cooks so you guys can get one for yourself. Now, if you guys are interested in purchasing this Foodi extra large grill, I will leave the Amazon link below. Go ahead and click the link below and purchase one for yourself. Okay guys, so here we are. Just like we said, we're about to do an unboxing of this Foodi grill. Now, as you can see, I believe this is the front of the box right here. As you can see, it cooks 6 steaks in one. Also come with 50% more food, only because it's actually the extra large grill from Foodi. As you can see right here, it says perfect steaks. You can do the perfect medium rare. The fish, grilled, charred, frozen, fries and vegetables and everything, you name it.
All while using your Foodi Smart thermometer, so that's great.
Exactly.
So you can use that in order to get rare to well done steaks or chicken.
Perfect. Now, if you guys want to see what's in the box, you can actually see right here. It is dishwasher safe, and it comes right here with this this little piece right here. It says it's called the grill grate. And what happens is this one stays right here, I believe at the bottom or the top or whatever, but it's the thing that actually put the lines on the hot dogs and on your steaks for you as well. Okay, it also comes with the splatter shield. It's a 4-quart cooking pot, a 6-in-1 smart base, and it's pointing to each of these right about here, okay? And it also has a grill hood, and the great thing about this grill is just like a grill on the outside, you can actually close it and cook, as well as leave it open and cook as well. Okay, it also comes with the Foodi Smart thermometer. For the, I believe it's for the extra large, or if you choose the smart thermometer one, 4-quart crisper basket, which is usually the thing that you put your fries in. It also comes with the cleaning brush right here to make sure you clean your grill. Over here on the sink, on the box, it shows you, goes up to 500 degrees, grill chars your meats for you, and it just shows you some stuff right here on the side that you can add into the crisper as well. But for the most part, it's the same on all sides of the box. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop this box open. Yeah, pull that out. Damn, I just smashed my fucking knee right on the table. That shit hurt.
See, have a virtual smoke-free experience. These are the instructions on that. Always use recommended fat/oil. Recommended is canola oil, refined coconut, avocado, vegetable, grapeseed. Not recommended olive oil, butter, and margarine. So that's a good tip.
This is actually the grill grate right here, you guys, as you can see. Looks pretty dope. Nice and clean.
Quick start guide.
Yeah.
I think that's
This
ingredients.
is the free ingredients that they give you with your box. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but that's what you get.
And then this is the actual owner's guide.
Yep. And then that's all really much the paperwork you get in there. So we'll just set that to the side.
Put that.
As I showed you guys the grill grate right here. We also have the brush that you use to actually clean your grill, just like that. Okay. What else?
Stick to that.
That other side.
Not that heavy when you think after you get it out the box.
Yeah, not that heavy for 2 people. That's for damn sure. So we'll just open this up like this, guys.
Don't mind this. We're gonna be doing this soon.
All right. I just had to cut the light on for you guys. It started to get real dark real quick. So, so this is actually the grill right here. Let's take it all the way out the plastic. And that's what it looks like. Looks super clean. It's very, very beautiful. Very nice, updated, modern design here. It's taped on the side, so we're just going to go ahead and pull that tape off. It's taped over there too. And as you can see, when I'm pulling off the tape, you can actually see the smart thermometer pop out right here. Okay, once again, this is the smart thermometer for your meat. So you'll be able to just plug this right here into the side. I'll show you guys. Plug that right there into the side. And then this thermometer is in here just like this. Just pop that right out. And then you'll be able to stick this into your meats, like steak and whatever you want, and be able to cook it to perfection, however you want to cook, okay? So that's a smart thermometer there. Then as we open it, you can see the basket. It's normally the basket that you put your fries in, you put your chicken in, stuff like that. So you got the basket there. Put that stuff to the side. What's this? This is, what that box say? What that box, turn it around the other side where I said what all this stuff was. Oh yeah, this is the smart base. So that's what this is.
It's the 4-quart.
Oh no, the
cooking
4-quart
pot.
cooking pot. Okay.
So that's the
there
cooking
you
pot,
go.
that's the crate.
4-quart cooking pot. Got the crate.
This is just a 6-in-1 basket.
And this would be the smart base right here. So that's exactly how it looks, guys. Very beautiful, very clean, very modern looking. Okay, open and closes just like so. Just move this out the way for you guys so you guys can see it.
Hopefully we get to be able to use this for our actual pressure cooker, but we'll get into that.
Yeah, over there, as you guys
time.
can see, we actually have the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. That's also extra large. That'll be in another video, so make sure you guys stay tuned so you can watch exactly how we unbox that and throw some stuff together in there for you guys. So, beautiful. Also, on top of here, it got your little importance of carrying, cooking, and resting, and just basically how to care for your brand new Ninja Foodi here.
Is the splatter shield in there? Okay, so this is considered the splatter shield, which is that crate. It's supposed to, you could dishwash it safe, so we can remove it. I guess we'll learn how to remove it. But yeah, I have to read the directions for that. But you can remove this. It can go in the wash. You can clean it. Bada bing, bada boom.
All right, so we're about to set all this stuff together and then start throwing some food in here so you guys can check it out.
All right, so we just turned the Ninja on. We just turned it on. And I'm going to just read it and do it. We're doing chicken kebabs. All right. Air crisp, roast, grill, bake, broil, dehydrate. Okay, so we are using a grill. And it says high 10. Let's see. Press it down. Up. Okay, so down makes it go. I don't think I want it on high because we're gonna try it. All right, so it says start to begin, preheat. So that's the start and the stop button. So I'll press that. And it's gonna preheat. It says preheat is complete. The unit will beep and add food will appear on the display. So we're gonna wait for this to say add food after it preheats. Alright, so it just started. It says add food now. So it says open the hood, place the ingredients on the grill grate. Once the hood is closed, clip will begin and the timer will start counting down. I'm not using a smart thermometer because these are too small. You can only use it for like 1 inch or thicker. So I'm gonna put this vegetable oil because I don't want the chicken to stick. Hopefully I'm doing this right. And let's see. I feel like I got to put more, so I'm gonna just put all of them. I'm gonna just put that much. I don't want it to be, I want to be able to turn it. Alright, so we close that. Alright, so it says 10 minutes. So we'll be back in 10 minutes to see what it's looking like. Or maybe halfway through, because I do want to flip it, see what it looks like. So in like 5 minutes. So I kind of left it in a little bit too long because I wanted to check it and see. So let's just open it up. It says you can open it while it's cooking. And it looks like I need to turn it. So let me see.
to burn.
Actually, I don't think I need to turn it. Look at that. Getting little lines on it. Ooh.
Mom.
Toasty. Alright, so I'm gonna... what you think? We should do some more? 3 more minutes? We'll leave it in for the whole 10 minutes and see how it comes out. Almost done. Look at that. It says end. It says we're supposed to let it cool down some, but we don't really need to. I mean, come on, let's see. So it's very crispy. What you think, Zelise? It looks yummy?
No.
You don't like chicken. Alright, let's
Oh wow, that does.
Let's see. Let's see if our chicken is done. Let's rip it open. Let's see if we can pull it apart.
Good. La 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 la. Good.
Hot. Ooh, look at that. You see that? See the inside of that chicken? Done. It's done. So I just want to taste one of it. Obviously the flavors are good, but it's already dripping. If you can see all the driplets, it's just so juicy. So let's go ahead and try it out. Oh, so good. Very juicy. Got a little crisp. Very good. It's already preheated, so we have to preheat it. So this is our shrimp kebabs. I'm gonna go ahead and yes. Put this on as many as we can. I'm not gonna stuff it. We're gonna close it, and I believe it said we can just press it, high, start. Alright, so now I'm gonna see how many hot dogs it can fit. It did say it could fit a whole lot, so we're gonna try 8 because we only need 8 for today. Alright, so I'll put them this way so it can be more room. And I think I'm gonna put some 2 burgers. You think 2 burgers should fit? So let's see. These are Bubba burgers. 2 burgers should fit. And we're gonna go ahead and close that down. And it should start. Press grill. And then that's it. And then we'll press start. Take that off. Add food. Open. Close it. 10 minutes. I think my hot dog's a little brown. It's up to you. There's lines. You can see the lines.
Yep.
Very nice and juicy. They don't really give it lines like that. But it's evenly toasty. Just take them off. Alright, so I got me a little corn lollipop. My seasoned dip, butter, you know, some garlic seasoning, peppers, some Cajun seasoning, you know, wrapping it all on the foil. I'm gonna toast these on the grill. Got a couple of these. So, I'm gonna go ahead and toast them on the grill. Should be good. Let me pull that. Here it's sizzling. Ooh.
What for two? What for two?
say. Just real quickly, I wanted to show you guys. This is the brush that you clean it with. But this tool right here, you can literally just use this to scrape it. I don't really have much because I did it earlier and I meant to show you guys. But you can literally just put all the pieces, all the leftover pieces. So any of the fatty pieces that came off the chicken or the hamburgers, you can literally scoop it with this little end piece on the grill, which is great. So I also want to show you guys all the oils that's underneath this crate. I think it's called a crate, the grill crate. So look at this. Let me just remove it out the way. Look at that. That is all the oils from the chicken, from the hot dogs, from the burgers, you know. And look at how look at the splatter rack. You know, it covered everything else up there, but you know, it didn't splatter that much, which is, you know, good.
So there it is, guys. We have just finished cooking hot dogs, hamburgers, corn, what we got?
Kebabs,
Shrimp kebabs, chicken kebabs.
Hot dogs.
We just threw everything on there and we showed you guys nice and beautifully. It actually came out absolutely perfect. A lot of the times it was letting us know when to flip it. So if we would put it on like 10 minutes, around the 3rd or 4th minute before it ended, it would say flip. It would make a beep sound and it would say flip now. So literally, you really don't have to cook at all. All you have to do is season the food, place it on the Ninja Foodi, and it does the rest for you. If you have steak or chicken or ham or anything like that, like I showed you, it comes with the thermometer, with the thermostat, and then you just, you know, put that inside and, you know, it'll let you know when it's done. But we'll do that for another video. But as for now, as you guys can see, all of the food here, we just completely finished. And the great part about it is that it let us know how fast it was to being done. Mostly everything was done within 10 minutes. So in a 10-minute time, all of the hot dogs were done. And we could easily put, what was it? We put 8. It seemed like if we would have put
dogs and 2 burgers on the same grill at the same time.
But I'm curious, like, how many hot dogs it would have been. But I think if we put 8 and it was like smushed together, I would say like 16. If we would have put 16 hot dogs, 16 hot dogs would have fit inside of there, as well as like 5 burgers if we wanted to put 5 burgers in there. But we wanted to show you guys how easy it was to use the Ninja Foodi grill. Again, if you guys are interested, please click the link in the description below and go ahead and grab yourself the Ninja Foodi grill, and make sure to subscribe to the channel as well, because we will be doing more grilling videos for you guys, so you guys don't have to figure out what to eat next, so you don't have to worry about what's for dinner tomorrow. We're going to be doing the cooking for you guys, and all you guys got to do is stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and like this video. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and we're gonna catch you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye, guys.
Later.